Kelly and Mike, the verdict coming in just before noon today. The jury taking nearly 10 hours of deliberation over 2 days before coming to their verdict. Now, Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Bob Mayo, he has been in the courtroom every single day since jury selection in April. He starts our coverage now with what happened today. And Bob, the jury rejecting many of the defense's key mitigating factors in all of this.
Certainly, this jury has worked 37 trial days over the course of the past 2 months, returning here to Pittsburgh Federal Court again and again to hear and see horrifying evidence of the killing of 11 worshipers in the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting. Today, their verdict came, as you noted, after a total of 10 hours of deliberation over the course of 2 days. Their jury decision was unanimous in voting for Robert Bowers to be sentenced to death. The aggravating factors that Bowers caused injury, harm, and loss not only to the 11 victims, but their family and friends as well. That Bowers expressed hatred and contempt towards members of the Jewish faith, and that it played a role in his killing the victims. That the defendant targeted men and women taking part in Jewish religious worship at the Tree of Life Synagogue to maximize the devastation, amplify the harm of his crimes, and instill fear within Jewish communities. That Bowers demonstrated lack of remorse by his statements and actions during and following his crimes, and that he caused serious physical and emotional injury to the civilian and law enforcement survivors. The U.S. Attorney for Western Pennsylvania, Eric Olshan, thanked the jury for their service and honored the memories of the victims and the perseverance of those who survived.
The victims and family members have been a constant source of support and strength throughout the long road that has been this case. They have been a valued presence in the courthouse every single day since the jury selection process started months ago. They have testified as witnesses in this trial. They shared their loss and pain, and their strength is an inspiration.
Tomorrow, some surviving victims and family members will take the stand here at Pittsburgh Federal Court one last time in order to offer victim impact statements before Judge Robert Colville, before the judge formally imposes the sentence decided by the jury. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse downtown, Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.